Good morning. So I am in the middle of doing my hair. I know I look crazy, but I'm gonna be doing a half up, half down look. I've done this look once before on myself. It was like 2 years ago, but I'm like, this is what we doing for the vacation. I just really wanted a half up, half down. So I washed the bundles, let them air dry. I'll insert a clip here. So they're already dry, ready to go. I braided my hair down. Let me show you guys. So I braided my hair down. I added some braiding hair and just cornrowed it down. And then now I'm just gonna put a mesh wig cap on just to protect the braids. And then after that, I'm going to sew the bundles in my head. So I got 3 bundles of loose wave. Yeah, I don't know what was it, Peruvian, Indians, I don't know. It was loose wave. And I'm just gonna go ahead and prop you guys up so I can just mosey along and get through this. But I'm so excited. The hair looks really, really cute, and I'm excited for how this look is gonna turn out. So cue hair montage in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the ting bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunana ni. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. But they too fly though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunana. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends, girl? I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me down.
So this is the semi-final product. This is the hair in its natural state. I just washed it, deep conditioned it, and then let it air dry. So this is what it looks. No product, no styling, nothing, just gorgeous. Okay, so I put 2 bundles at the back, sewn those in, and then I put 1 bundle at the top. I just wrapped it up right now because I'm about to head to my nail appointment and I'm gonna be running around today. So this is what the style is gonna look like, but it's not the final, if that makes sense. So I still gotta come back later on tonight and just fleek my baby hairs, you know, make the ponytail look cute, figure out how I want to curl this, and just, you know, do all the extra stuff. So I say all that to say we're done with the hair. Now we have to go get our nails done. My nails are looking crusty, so I'm gonna go to a new nail tech. I found her actually on TikTok, and I found her Instagram, and she was in Dallas, and she was just cool. She's a black nail artist, so I want to just go support and give my dollars to a black queen. So I am going to get ready now, and then we're gonna head out. Hey y'all, so I wanted to pop in and check in and update y'all on kind of what's been going on today. So my camera ended up dying while I was getting my nails done, so I wasn't able to show the full process. But after my nail appointment, I had to haul ass to my lash appointment because they were on 2 opposite sides of the city. So I've got my nails done. This is how they look. I'm gonna give y'all a closer peek, but I got some Frenchies, some white Frenchies. They look really cute, but those are my nails. So after my nail appointment, I had to drive like an hour away to my lash appointment, got my lashes done, and then I made it home at like 8:30. So whoo child, it's been a day. It's been a day, but our hair is done. Like I said earlier in the video, I'm not really sure what I want to do to this hair yet because it's so pretty in its natural form, but I don't know. I want to curl it. I don't know if I got the energy to curl it today, but I like this look. It's very like effortless, so I might wear this to the airport, and then when I get to Mexico, then I'll actually like do my hair and all that when we get ready to go to dinner. But I just kind of wanted to pop in, check in with y'all, let y'all know how it's been going. These are how my lashes turned out. I got y'all all close and personal, but they're super cute. It's a mixed set, so it's a mix of classic and volume. It's perfect for me, perfect for my eye shape. And you know, my girl Erin, she does what needs to be done every single time. It just, she does what she needs to do. So I'll have her information down below if you're in the DFW area and want to check out my girl Erin, because she a beast with the lashes. All right, so yeah, I'm about to pop you guys up so that I can start packing and just let you guys watch me pack and just get everything together. My flight leaves at 8:45 tomorrow morning, so I have to be at the airport super early, and I don't even foresee me getting any good sleep tonight, but we're gonna get everything done. And yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys once we start packing. Okay, so it's the next morning. I had a lot going on last night, and my family came over while I was packing, and I just didn't really have time to follow up on the packing status. So this is my suitcase. Everything is pretty much in here. I think I have a couple more items that I do need to put in here. So I packed all my outfits. This is my makeup palette. I packed toiletries, my curling iron, more toiletries in there. I put my shoes and my bathing stuff under this little mesh thing, so it's at the bottom of this. And then yeah, I have my neck rest, and then I have the purse that I'm gonna bring on top of my suitcase. I'm whispering because it's like 5 in the morning, and I think that you should wait until at least 7 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock to be loud. It just feels like it's too early to speak in full voice. So I have to be at the airport, and I just woke up. I'm sorry, I didn't even wash my face. Like, it's just so rude of me to be on camera like this, but I have to be at the airport at 7 o'clock. I have to be there at 7 o'clock. I have to pick up one of my friends on the way, and the airport's like 30 minutes from us, so I'm gonna leave here at like 6, go to Starbucks. Gotta have Starbucks today. Leave here at 6, go to Starbucks, go pick up my friend, and then head to the airport, because I just want to make sure we have time just in case there's traffic or anything. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it with this part of the video, or this part of the vlog. I look really crusty, y'all, so I'm sorry. Like, I ain't trying to come out here looking like who shot. Like, girl, go get yourself together and then come back. Okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish packing up the last of the suitcase, go get in the shower, and get ready to head out. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. I'm not sure which one it's gonna be, but it's definitely gonna be related to this vacation. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.